Welcome to Whispers. So, since the Yoruba elders, their Feniferes and their likes are saying they want to restructuring, even though they've been quiet, dead for forever now. But ever since the awareness, the demand for self-determination, ever since the emancipation of the Yoruba races started, they wanted to use that as a bait to revive their dead dream of restructuring. So the Northerners, their mates, they replied to them, and it is. I mean, these people, they are not serious at all. If you look at the age of them, all of them are candidates for the grave. So they have absolutely nothing at stake. They have absolutely nothing to lose. So they are just playing chess with the destiny of others. They are at the end of their lives, while the masses are just starting theirs. So, come find out with me. This is a joke. This is a joke. So the Northerners have replied them. And to think Pa Adebanjo was beating his chest, saying that if they should restructure today, Igboho will be silenced, Nnamdi Kanu will be silenced. Loju Koro is ready. They are ready to sacrifice anybody, sacrifice Igbo for the dead restructuring. The people that are the power block that they are talking to, that they are asking, that they are begging for this restructuring has now answered them. And of course, I mean, it's what do you expect from dead people? Two dead people having conversations. I mean, they're dead, they're just waiting for the day to go 6 feet below. So they have absolutely nothing to lose. Absolutely nothing to look forward to. So, come with me. We are ready for restructuring, but won't rotate Presidency-North. It's not gonna work. It ain't gonna work. This boat is down. It's down. It's already at the bottom of the sea. It's not floating. It's dead. So, leaders of northern Nigeria from 17 groups, including Arewa Consultative Forum and the Northern Elders Forum, declared that the North was ready for restructuring of Nigeria, but it would not succumb to any blackmail to rotate the presidency with the South. Oh, by the way, Tinubu, can you hear that? Somebody should check on Tinubu's blood pressure. The groups under the aegis of the Northern People's Summit took that decision in Kaduna State after what they described as 2 days of deliberations. They issued a 12-point communique, literally emphasizing the political advantage which the North currently enjoys over the South. The North will not be stampeded or blackmailed into taking major decisions around rotating the presidency, they said. The communique reads in part, the Northern People's Summit convened on the 7th and 8th of April 2021 at Arewa House, Kaduna, to discuss the issues bedeviling the North and the Nigerian state. But you brought the devil. You are the devil bedeviling yourselves and the rest of us. This includes security, restructuring, economic politics, and the survival of the Nigerian state. Survival indeed. After 2 days, intensive discussions, the summit resolved as follows. To sustain the summit as a productive forum for utilizing pan-northern assets in the search for resolution of northern problems, to encourage northern elite and political leadership to improve their levels of sensitivity to inclusiveness and management of the North's pluralism. The North will be stronger if it addresses its internal weaknesses, particularly around ethno-religious matters, as it relates to its challenges with the rest of Nigeria. Perception and practice of creating minorities and majorities among Northerners should have no place in the North, nor is discrimination on the basis of place, faith, or ethnic group of any Northerner. The North believes that restructuring the country is now a vital necessity for survival as one united entity. Keep following yourselves. The North will not be stampeded or blackmailed into taking major decisions around rotating the presidency. The North draws attention of the country to the inherent fragility of the Nigerian state. For Nigeria to survive, all parts of the country must equally commit to supporting its continuation as one entity, without equivocation or subterfuge. The North extends an invitation to groups that are genuinely interested in discussing the future of the country. The North believes that every interest can be accommodated in one united, just and equitable nation, but the North cannot be the sole custodian of this endeavor. The North warns against the continuation of demonization, attacks and killing of Northerners in the southern parts of the country. Wow, can you hear that? When they are the ones killing us, they are the ones killing us. Here they are the ones shouting. I don't get it. It demands that federal and state governments must take firmer steps to protect members of northern communities who live in the south. This includes the arrest and prosecution of persons who are involved in these dangerous activities. The North urges northern communities to continue to exercise restraint and be good hosts. The North invites the attention of President Muhammadu Buhari, northern governors and legislatures to the fact that under their watch, the North has sunk lower in all indices of human existence. Delegates at the summit commit to continuously engage in searching for solutions, as well as raising their voices against poor governance, corruption, and absence of commitment to deal with insecurity, poverty, and hopelessness among Northerners. Government should show effective presence in all ungoverned spaces in the North. The North resolved that there should be government-backed negotiations and dialogue with the bandits. Really? Boko Haram and affected communities for effective peace in the North. They are dialoguing. That's your cup of tea. The North appreciates the response of His Excellency Governor of Plateau State and Chairman Northern Governors Forum, retired Honorable Simeon Bako Lelong, to its invitation to attend the summit and be a resource person who enriched our discussion. So it's signed. It has loads of signatures, all of them. So the communique came a day after Governor Bello Matawalle of Zamfara State issued a statement threatening reprisal attacks on Southerners in the North if what he called attacks on Northerners residing in the South did not stop. Matawalle's statement reads in part, as Northern leaders, our dignified silence in the face of constant provocation, attacks because of our desire for peace must not be taken as a sign of weakness, as no community, no region has the monopoly of violence. Can you imagine what we should be telling them? They are the ones invading our land. They are the ones terrorizing us. And they are the ones saying nobody has monopoly of violence. Oh God, if Northerners and their means of livelihood will not be protected, accommodated, and be dignified anywhere they choose to stay in any part of the South. Southerners should not expect such reprisal protection from the North, as the North has more than what it takes to respond to any kind of aggression and hatred. So are they, because they are now generalizing it, they will generalize it. So what do they even want us to believe? They said they are foreign criminal Fulani axemen. Now they are saying they are Northerners. We have seen the destruction, the killings, and the devastation recently at Shasha Market against Northerners and the economic interests. Oh, so the Shasha incident. Hey, yeah, lick your wounds, lick it. Keep licking it. Thought only Shasha less, you go cry. It depend you. It depend you. You go cry, tire. Just once. You are crying like this. What of all the other ones that you people are still perpetrating down south, southwest? Okay. Properties worth billions of naira were lost in addition to human lives. Yet some leaders in the southwest are downplaying the atrocities committed, or at best justifying it. Oh, so you are not justifying it. When the criminals were carrying AK-47 and people were saying, didn't you justify their carrying the AK-47? Didn't Gumi justify the killings by the bandits, saying that they only kill if and when they are provoked? Didn't you justify the creation of Boko Haram? So what are you saying? Kileso Oroshile Kini Kong. Some of them have shamefully gone to the extent of apportioning blames on the victims and casualties of the aggression. Really? And you can't apportion blame. Last Sunday's killing of innocent Northerners in Imo is one too many. No matter how we love peace, leaders with conscience and fear of God must speak out against this continued barbarism and hatred. Oh, so it's not barbarism and hatred. When the criminal actsmen are invading people's land, are raping, kidnapping people, that is okay. So you want us to sit down and take your bowl. You want us to sit down. You want to shovel down your nonsense. You want to shovel down your own suffering, that self-inflicted terror. You want us to sit down and keep quiet and just take it because you are enjoying it, because you are like, it's our brother. Even when you are being slaughtered, it is our people. Hell no. You can't tell people how to react. Excuse me, what's your name? Matuale? Go sit down. Sit down. If that is allowed to continue, we will not take that any longer, as human life is better, as no human life is better than another. Like, seriously? But to the criminal Fulani herdsmen, which you are claiming are Northerners, a cow's life, a cow's blood, is more precious than that of a human. Matawali, you've lost it. You've lost it. No business interest is better than another. Matawali. Like, seriously? Coming from you, you're saying no business interest is better than another? How come all of you the Northern, that where the so-called Fulani criminal actsmen came from, how come you people want other regions to provide ruga? You want other regions to provide land for a private business. Cattle rearing is a private business. Even your so-called boo-boo president, who is the life patron of them, carried it on his head. Anything, if the criminal herdsmen are caught, they let them go. He's giving Mayeti Ala money, which is just an association of cattle breeders, and you can open your mouth without your oh my God, kilo jẹ no. Kí a wo bàtọ̀ bí ẹ wọ̀ yọ. Lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ bí àpọ̀dà. No business interest is better than another. Oh, say that to yourself. say that to you. You are just saying it, but are you taking it? What are you taking what you're saying? Matuali? Okay. What I say? In fact, in crisis situation, the South has more to lose in terms of its business interests in the North and the strategic nature they establish themselves in the North than Northerners. Those who who has what to lose? Who has what to lose? They issued the FCF also issued a communique on Thursday in which it said it received reports on the unfortunate killings of some Northerners in the southeast that seems suspicious. Somebody that was killed of recent in Ikogon, that doesn't seem suspicious. All those people that were kidnapped and killed, that doesn't look suspicious. Why are you people like this? You want to dish it out, but you don't want to be served. You don't want to be served, Abby. You want us to take your nonsense. You want us to be like, okay, keep on killing us. It is okay. It is not okay. When the time is right, you will know that you don't have monopoly of whatever it is you're dishing out, because God knows it will be dished out to you. Good measure, pressed down, shaking together, running over. Okay? Running over. I said the receipt report. Okay. Yeah, the forum said we call on security agencies to investigate these killings and flush out the culprits. So, okay. When they are killing us in the south, no security agencies. But when your cows, when they die, chiefs will be summoned from the south to go to Abuja to come and answer questions for the death of one cow. When 20 cows are dead, the security operatives, they will come to the south and come and be doing investigation. But when criminal herdsmen attack farmers, kidnap farmers, killed farmers, nothing is done. Nothing is done. It's a thinky time bomb. It's a thinky time bomb. So I don't know which people you are saying they are dead. Maybe you are talking about the cows. Maybe you are talking about the cows. So, yeah. We also want our youth who have suddenly started distributing messages on social media calling on reprisal attacks on Igbos and their business interests in the North. We, the Arewa Consultative Forum, stand against all honest acts of self-help and call on the northern youth to stop them. Keep calling them. You think you are the only part that you are so full of it. You people are so full of it. You think you are the only region that has youth. Okay, we shall see. So, yeah. And they went further to say no religion that is practiced in the North Nigeria permits such sinful acts like holding other human beings as hostages for financial reward. Oh my God, you people are so full of it. So, the Afenifere, the political class, the politicians, they said they are ready for your restructuring, but they won't rotate presidents. Yokolu, kò wá tóbi, ìyàwó gbọ́kàn sọ́lẹ̀, ọkọ yọkọlú. You've gotten your answer now. So I think this will help you in making your decision. Well, Yoruba emancipation, Yoruba self-determination, we move until I come your way again. Oh my God. Until I come your way again. They are ready for restructuring, but they won't rotate the presidency. Meanwhile, in the south, they are killing themselves. They are ready to kill us. They are sowing discord, using divide and rule, using all kinds of, because of the icing on the cake. because of the presidency. What did Jaran Kinyewale? Oh my God. Wọ́n gbé yín lọ sókè gogoro. Ọ̀bọ̀n gbọ̀bọ̀gbọ̀n ẹjọ́ máa tanra yín. Until I come your way again. Bye.